Okay, so this video is going to go a little more into the financial aid stuff. So once you log into your WebAdvisor account, just scroll down to financial aid services. Now, one thing to note before we get here, and don't freak out if yours looks different because everyone's financial aid is different. It's going to vary on what you have. So for a financial aid year, click the year that you're wanting to make sure you have the money for. So this is the year that we're concerned about. You might have multiple years. And then it's going to say a list of things that needs to be done. So on this student, not everything is done yet, and that's okay. So this form here is something that you have to go back to get. So you can tell it kind of looks like a link. And so it's called a dependent verification form. These are a little different, and you'll get the parent signature page after you complete the verification form. So to show you where to get this one at least, you'll go to back to student menu, and then scroll down to verification worksheet. So again, the year that you're wanting it for, and then their verification worksheet is actually an online system. So this is where you'll begin and start going through that process. At the end of it, it's going to ask you if you want to print the parent signature page. So that's going to take care of another item that was on that list. And then as you'll go through this, you'll realize that sometimes it's going to ask for a tax return transcript, either from you or your parents. We'll go through that with what to do, but I don't want to include it all in this one video because it's not the same for everybody. I'll have another video with how to order these tax return transcripts, but this one is focused on the dependent verification worksheet getting started. So you'll just begin here, and then it didn't take too long, but let me know if you have any questions again. Good luck.